Come on, Miss Keisha Red. I got you, baby. Keisha Red. Introducing Keisha Red, y'all.
Do not drop the mic.
I didn't break the last time. I didn't break it.
Say something.
Okay, so listen. I'm just gonna keep it real short and sweet, because I ain't got time for this bullshit. All I know is, these dudes can't be doing this weave. Y'all can't do it. I can't do it.
I know that's right.
I said, what's wrong with you? He said, my shit itching. Scratching, nigga, scratching. He patted his head, holding it out, patting mine, I got locked. Then, we grade do, you know, some stuff and things. He got the pillow mouth face, hair, public area. He too, what I say he was, he too fancy. He too flamboyant. He too sassy. You call a nigga sassy, boo? What your sassy ass doing this weekend? Bitch, I know you ain't coming sassy. Well, oh, I knew it. I knew it. Yep, that part. But anyway, I'm just up here just trying to kill some time waiting on Big Daddy Bird. The birds, bees and birds and bees, trees and trees, and foes and fives, and all that shit. I let them kids psych me up into getting up here, because I ain't funny. I ain't funny at all. I ain't got my buzz on, you know, I'm lean, you know, I'm lean, you know, I'm bang, shit. A motherfucking drink. Riri made this damn drink. Look at it, don't run here. Look at them. See how they act? See, y'all don't know me. They know me. I ain't funny. To my motherfucker self. I laugh hard. At my motherfucker self. Yeah, speaking of, we ran down here, right? And everything I keep on saying, everything I say, they thought I was eating Doritos and shit. I'm back there just talking like, and then, and cause, because they said, talk that mouth one more time. Where them damn tomatoes in there? Y'all can throw them at me, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Look at this. I'm staying like this. Cause I'm black. This is what I am for Halloween, y'all black. I'm legally black because I'm black, y'all. I'm black. Turn the light off.
Help keep going. Fuck that.
I'm scared.
Come on.
Keep on going.
Keep going, Mr. Shred. Forget them. No! Okay.
I gotta shake it in a circle like a so. What I gotta do is like a salt shaker. One leg at a time.
Oh, get into it, DJ. Give us something to shake in the circle with then. Oh, we want to see it. Like a salt shake. Keisha Red is not a gangbanger. I thought she with them Bloods. No, she's from Wakanda. Yes, forever. Wakanda forever. Yeah, I'm trying to tell you, I just came as me. Nigga who trying to dodge the police. Shit. That's what I'm for Halloween every year. Nigga running away from the popo. That's who I am. I ain't lying to you. For real. I can't gang bang, like I said. I ain't with them niggas. They don't eat enough. All right, we got another act coming to the stage. Who? You got a commercial. We not paying for no commercial. Oh, okay. We got a commercial break.
We don't have no commercial break.
Hey, do you suffer from acute starvation? If you're hungry, I suggest you go to the food court and order the chicken Alfredo potato. It's bustin'. And I need another commercial over.
Okay then. She fine. She fine.
Hey, who was that brought to you by?
Oh, I know, brought to us by. You know, at the end of the commercial, you gotta tell them. Copyright infringement. Okay, the birds and the bees. You gotta say it. Nah, you can't say it right. You ain't never seen Ricky Bobby? When Ricky Bobby like, brought to you by Ricky Bobby Eaton. Don't try to copy this side, steal your money. You gotta do it like that. Yeah. No, I can't do it for you. I'm just telling you what you got to do. I'm trying to put you down. Yeah, we gonna get it together. Is your credit high? Well, you my friend. God told me don't hang around nobody who got low credit. No more. All my new friends got high credit. Ooh, hey, I know you got good credit. What's up, my boy? They got my other friend right here, y'all. I just hit him right now. Very, very good friend of mine. Know your credit up, boy. When a nigga sit like that with his leg crossed like that, credit good as a motherfucker. That nigga ain't got a worry in the world. Look how he looking right now. He ain't worried about shit. Nigga credit good as hell. You got a gardener and everything on him. Yeah, but you look like you got a gardener. You got a nigga at your house trimming up. Hold up. What is that smoke coming from? Smell like the good shit. Yeah, you got a gardener, my boy. I know you got a gardener. All right, bring it to the stage next. Another very good friend of mine who I met yesterday. And a very, very good friend of mine. Y'all give it up for my boy, Open Face. Where you at?
It's nunchuck, big shit, 2 girls, 1 cup. Hold up, bitch, you don't know what. Diamonds don't talk, they stuck up. Sticks don't crack, they blow up. Backseat Billy, that chauffeur. She was down, don't know her. Trap high up in that dump truck. 2 sticks on that nunchuck. Big shit, 2 girls, 1 cup. Hold up, bitch, you don't know what. Diamonds don't talk, they stuck up. Sticks don't crack, they blow up. Backseat Billy, that chauffeur. She was down, don't know her. Backseat head in the road. Not enough time to pull over. We can't sing, stay sober. Fuck your bitch on the sofa. Downstairs working, they suffer. Sweatshop, give it them colors. Drink on fizz, it bubble. Stoner, party, rubber. I don't like the color. My drip, please the puddle. Give your bitch one night of this, is looking like a tunnel. Pulling garner bundles. She thought I was subtle. Left that bitch before he busted sleep inside the Hummer. Trap house up in that dump truck. 2 sticks on me, that's nunchuck. Big shit, 2 girls, 1 cup. Hold up, bitch, you don't know what. Diamonds don't talk, they stuck up. Sticks don't crack, they blow up. Backseat Billy, that chauffeur. She buzz down, don't know her. Trap house up in that dump truck. 2 sticks on me, that's nunchuck. Big shit, 2 girls, 1 cup. Hold up, bitch, you don't know what. Diamonds don't talk, they stuck up. Sticks don't crack, they blow up. Backseat Billy, that chauffeur. She bust down, don't know her. Yeah. Hey, so that one out is one of my singles. This Nunchuck by Open Face.
Open Face is a rapper. He's not a trapper. He's retired. My boy retired. Open Face, I need to holler at you when you leave. All right, we're gonna keep it going. I think we getting ready to have a. Nah, we ain't getting ready to have that. No Halloween contest. Nobody got no Halloween outfits on in here. We ain't got no costumes on in there. Purge later on, we got a costume on. The purge lady win.
Hey, no. I'm Kevin Hart.
Oh, you can't. Purge lady got a goddamn brother. You Kevin Hart right here now.
Kevin Hart.
I ain't know my boy came as chocolate drop. That boy dropper. I ain't know you want dropper now. You hear me? Hey, I got some good news too, y'all. I want to share my good news with y'all. While I was outside, I had got a phone call from my lawyer. Look at God, I am suing Andretti go-karts. Yeah, I'm suing the go-kart park. I am, because you gotta have, see this, now don't take this wrong. This is for the, what the name of the people? The LBGE, whatever community. They doing everything for them. You gonna do something for fat people. Why I go to the go-kart place and I ask them, am I gonna fit in this go-kart? Cause my little girl want me to drive the go-kart with her. They like, yeah, you gonna, we had a man in here bigger than you. Okay. So we get to the nigga with the helmets. I asked the nigga who put your helmet on. Am I gonna fit in this damn go-kart? He's like, yeah, you gonna fit. I get my fat ass in that go-kart, that shit. You should have seen me trying to get out that goddamn go-kart. Have you ever seen a fucking whale trying to get back in the fucking water? Some of the bitches embarrassed me. Glad my little girl didn't see that shit, cause you know cheer did tell you. But she did anyway. I was walking back when they had the cheer and she saw me coming back. She looked at me and said, Daddy, you couldn't fit, could you? That's why I'm suing them for pain and motherfucking suffering. Cause you need to have one fat nigga go-kart in that motherfucker. You hear me? I'm suing Six Flags too. I can't get on no roller coaster. I told that tree Six Flags, I gotta stand on the side. What kind of shit is this? You ain't got one fat nigga sitting this motherfucker nowhere. God damn it. Can't go nowhere but whitewater. What kind of shit is this? And I can't go nowhere but the wave pool in that motherfucker. I'm gonna let me go now water slide. They say, sir, we don't think it's gonna hold you. Well, have you tested this motherfucker then? I'm suing all these motherfuckers. My lawyer just told me we got Andretti. God told them, fuck that shit. They gotta get a fat nigga go-kart in that motherfucker somewhere. I ain't even coming over there. Hey, my new friend, right here, you better get a fat nigga chair at your house. I come to your house, if you ain't got no fat nigga chair, I'll make your credit go down. God damn it, your credit gonna drop. While you back there laughing too open face, you my new friend, you retired trapping motherfucker, you better get a fat nigga car. That might be your bodyguard, nigga. That nigga, that got the raps on him, boy. I ain't lying. For real. I do what we finna do now. I'm finna tell y'all a motherfucking secret. They gonna help you get a lot of money. Y'all ready for the secret? Cash up me for $2. And I'm gonna send it back to you. I'm gonna send your ass $82 back after I handle my business. You know what I'm saying? Nah, for real. All jokes aside, I want to thank everybody for coming out. Y'all got a good vibe, everybody credit score going up. I want you to give yourself a round of applause. You understand me? Give yourself a round of applause. Let's go. Everybody in here. Get going. Yeah, I don't see nothing but good credit in this motherfucker. Where my boy at? My boy Smooth Dumb One. Birthday boy! Look at your ass, man. That's why I like you, boy. Look at that skinny nigga, boy. Over there, he like a fat nigga, boy. Out there, he like me don't gain no weight. He never been 400. Little bit ass nigga, he over there eat like a motherfucker. That nigga do a smoke and eat. You walk around with a fork in your goddamn pocket. They don't tell him where he go, man. My boy Smooth Dog Boy. I got one more motherfucking thing to say before I go. I'm black and I'm proud. You understand me? I'm black and I'm motherfucking proud. Now I'm about to bring up another very, very good friend of mine to the stage. I've been knowing him a long time, y'all. I've been knowing the nigga 72 hours. That's a long goddamn time. 72 hours, long time, know somebody. Now, nigga, I've been invited to the stage. Like I said, good friend of mine, a real triple OG, triple, AKA, his name is Player Dracula. Give it up for triple OG, where y'all OG? Boy, you're clean as a motherfucker, boy. Boy, you look like a new car, boy. Yes, sir. Give them OG.
What's up, what's up, what's up? I would take these loafs off, but you have to dim that light down there.
Like the show.
Yeah. Thank you, I appreciate it. It's good I can't see none of y'all because I'm nervous as a motherfucker, y'all. Noe came back there, he hollered at me, he said, hey man, I'm gonna give you a couple things to get you through this deal. And I said, what's that, man? Now, so I got him over here in the sack. Give me a second. I ain't holding y'all up, am I? Y'all motherfuckers act like y'all was bored. I ain't hear nobody laughing and shit.
You here now. You here now.
I hear you, I hear you. I feel you. I appreciate everybody coming out to fuck with the triple. I appreciate the staff, I appreciate y'all's tips. If y'all don't tip well enough, somebody gonna tell me and we're gonna pass a plate that's similar to an offering plate. Kind of motivate y'all. Y'all like, what the fuck? You got some tomatoes. Whose waters is this? Is this sanitary? Because I might get thirsty and drink these. Oh, okay. So what this is I got 3 tomatoes up here because I'm new to this shit. You know, they selling my property. If y'all don't know me, those who know me, I work a job because I ain't made it yet. I'm trying to do some new shit. Social media type shit, you dig? These birds and bees. You know what I'm saying? I like it. You got a stiff neck and shit, so when I join on you, keep that motherfucker stiff. Oh, now you smiling. Don't smile now, it's too late. I'm gonna cut you. Oh, he's trying to cut you. Okay, that's the birthday boy over there working on something. Okay, these 3 tomatoes is because I'm a little nervous. This is my second time to grace the stage. And if there's any hecklers out there and y'all piss me off and I can't get back at you and I ain't witty and sharp enough, I'm gonna fire these motherfuckers out there. You dig what I'm saying? And I can't, thank you. And I can't see. So, and plus the light is blinding me. So I'm gonna beam y'all. Is that fair? Oh, okay. And I got like 4 jokes because y'all been here so long waiting. And we only been here so long waiting because y'all was fucking late. A few of you. Some were on time. I got 4 jokes, but fuck that. You know, I'm through playing with y'all, man. Y'all piss me off, man. Y'all got me out here. I know it's quite a few people out here in the crowd that I know and know me, and y'all said, D, go out here and do this shit, so I'm gonna keep it real, you know. They selling the property that I work at, I do maintenance, and I said, shit, I need a new bag. So I said, let me try this. So I called up a few cats in the hood. Actually, I met Big JJ, like he said, 72 hours ago. I whipped up, get some gas and shit, and then they tried to sell me a bag. You dig what I'm saying? I was like, what the fuck? He's like, yeah, man, because when he originally hit me, he was like, hey, D, cuz. He said, I got that for you. I was like, oh, okay, bet. You know, because y'all know me, I'm from Nap, I'm down with mixtapes and shit, so I'm thinking, oh, gee, he got some mixtapes for me and shit. I run in there, get the gas, come back out, get me a deuce. I said, he said, hey man, you forgot me? I'm like, no, what you got, man? I'm tripping, I'm on the rush. He say, I I got you. I said, what you got? Some CDs and shit, music and shit? He said, hell no, nigga. What the fuck? He said, I got that killer. He said, I got that for you. I was like, oh, okay, cool. So I ended up buying a sack and we've been cool for 72 hours. I said, hey man, you a funny dude. You approach me, you ain't got no motherfucking gate. I'm doing a comedy show, fuck with me, man. I ain't got no money, I can't pay you. You know what I'm saying? And he said, okay, we gonna do this. You dig what I'm saying? So, somebody said something about the COVID, so I'm gonna say something real quick and then I'm gonna get off of it. The COVID had me fucked up, period. I don't know how it did y'all, so it had me fucked up. So when they lightened the load, we went to church. You know, church opened back up, we shot in there, we did our thing. So I was so happy to be back at church, and the preacher apparently was too, because he delivered a hell of a sermon. So after the church, you know, we was doing some social distancing, he was kind of off in the midst, and I said, hey, Pastor, that was a damn good service you preached. He was like, young man, well, I mean, you know, this is the house of the Lord, but thank you, but, you know, watch your mouth. I'm like, okay, no problem. But that was a damn good service you preached. He was like, man, you something else. He said, come over here and let me speak with you. You know, and this is a church. You need to respect it more. I said, well, look, man. I was so happy to get out here. I was a little overzealous. I was excited, you know what I'm saying? And then, you know, I had been saving my money so much that I was happy because I finally learned how to hold my tithes because I couldn't go nowhere. I couldn't spend no money. So I had my 10% on the record. So, dog, I dropped $2,500 in the plate. He was like, you bullshit. You know what I'm saying? That's crazy. That's crazy. And he said, don't cover. You know what I'm saying? I'm glad y'all laughed at that. That's cool. That's good. I stole that joke. Straight up. So there, I got some other stuff for you. You know, I know y'all see. Oh, so how did he introduce me? He didn't introduce me how I wanted. He said some shit, but he said it backwards. I'm gonna rag on him because he was supposed to cut up 2 or 3 entertainers up here, but he failed miserably. And y'all know what I'm talking about. I ain't gonna say no names. I can't sing. Okay. Damn, that heckler threw me off, and I smelled something too. She needs some Altoids and some Saran wrap. Y'all say, well, damn, OG, what's she gonna do with the Altoids and Saran wrap? We're gonna throw the Altoids down her mouth and we're gonna wrap her head in Saran wrap and keep you in the freshness. So, y'all something else. Y'all something else. I really appreciate y'all coming in. Y'all give yourselves a round of applause. You know what I'm saying? Give a shout out to my homies, friends, and relatives that came out and fucked with me in the age. I appreciate you. So let's get to it. Look, I'm getting old, y'all. I'm getting old. That's why I'm fucking up here. I'm getting old. Shit's happening. You know, I got another joke for you. You know what I'm saying? You know, and things happen when you start to get old. You know what I'm saying? Your eyesight go, your hearing go. Shit, I can't remember that. You know. I'm glad y'all with me. So let's get right down to it. Let's get raunchy. With that said, I've been going through the last few months. Me and my wife are having some issues, and I wanted to see if y'all got any suggestions. Maybe y'all can help me out. You know, what's going on is, you know, we both getting up in age. I ain't gonna tell her age. You know, she's about 20 years younger than me. But with that said, we developed an issue. And this issue is, for some reason, the room seems to get hot and cold and hot and cold. Now I'm like, is it me or is it you, honey? She's like, well, look, I know it's getting cold, but we need the AC on. So we turn the AC on. Then she's like, look, I'm hot. I'm like, well, I thought we fixed this problem. She was like, well, we did, but I still need an AC. So the big AC wasn't good enough, so I put a portable AC in there, and the next thing I know, that was trouble for me. So now I'm all discombobulated because I have a full dicky suit laying next to the bed, and then I got some shorts and a tank top laying on the headboard. And the reason for this is because I think she may have got a little older faster than me. And that heat is coming through here, and I'm like, she's like, I'm so hot. And she breaks out into a full sweat like she's at a track meet. And I'm like, what the fuck, man? I can't get no love. Don't touch me right now. Give me 2 minutes. I'm like, but it's 6 in the morning and I was trying to get some before I go to work. No, turn the air on. Okay, so we turn the air on. And it's cool, you know, it cools off. I get cold, she gets cold because she's sweating so much. And then I put my dicky suit on and I'm shaking. So I put my dicky suit on one night, y'all, and I caught pneumonia. I put it on because she was fucked up. I don't know what it was. I put a Dickie suit on over my pajamas, but under my pajamas I had some long johns. And then I had some of them socks that come up to the knee. And then I got in the bed, under a sheet, and a quilt, and one of them plug-in old school heat blankets, and a comforter. Because that's how fucking cold it was in there. Because that's how she gets. And she's like, honey, I love you. I said, I love you too. But they motherfucker deal with this kind of bullshit. There's got to be in love. So I said, when you warm this motherfucker up, I'm gonna peel all this shit off, and then, I'd like to get a shot of pussy if I could, too. She agreed. So that was cool. So that's one story. Now with me, one day we was out at the mall, and I'm gonna be quick, y'all. One day we was out at the mall before it closed down. This is before COVID, you know what I'm saying? This is when I knew I was getting old and shit. Cause before she came out of the house, I went out there, sat in the car, was on fire up, kicked the air, it was summertime, boom, I sat on my balls. I was like, how did that shit happen? My stomach was hurting and shit. She came out, she said, honey, why you got the gas face? I said, no reason. I had on the wrong drawers for one, and two, I forgot that my balls had started to sag. Just a thing. So we go on to the mall, we do our thing, so we have a habit of wanting to go on and do our little separate thing, grab something. So I grab it, I'm at the top of the stairs, I come running down the stairs because the escalator was broken. She heard something go. And we kept in a little stride and we went on the way. She was like, honey, she had a strange look on her face. Is that your balls smacking against your leg? And I was like, damn, and I didn't want her to catch it. And I was like, yeah, it was. You know what I'm saying? So another thing that happened to me one time, I was, running late for, a court date or something. I had a traffic ticket. I ran across the street. I had on some shorts. It was hot summertime, and a guy whistled at me. Hey, buddy. I'm like, yeah. He's like, I thought he was gonna ask me for some change. So he said, man, you dropped something back there on the curb. And I looked back, and it was my motherfucking ball. And I was like, what the fuck? I said, man, I am too old for this bullshit. So I ran back, and halfway back, I realized I was late, so I wrapped him around my forearm twice and struck on out across the street. Hey, y'all been great. That's my time. I love you. Thanks for coming out.
Now y'all keep it going, OG, keep it going. Make some noise. Nah, make some noise for real. This nigga funny as hell. Hey, make some more noise for my OG, man. Make some more noise for OG. Hey, that nigga funny as a motherfucker. This nigga told me he just started telling jokes. Lying motherfucker. Nigga funny as hell, man. Real, man. This nigga funny as shit. What's going on, everybody? How y'all doing, everybody? All right? Them drinks all right? Them food all right? So you all right then? My good buddy, high score critic. You all right? That nigga credit score high as a motherfucker. That nigga say my shit go to 830. They going to 830 when you talking about the time. You hear me? Oh, for real, man. I want to appreciate everybody coming out. For real, each and every last one of y'all. Thank y'all for coming out straight up. Give yourself a round of applause one more time. One more time. Hey, OG. Fuck you gonna do with these tomatoes? I can take you over to the house. Fuck you gonna do with these tomatoes? You ain't wasting no food around me. Nah, you ain't getting shit back. Go about your business. Bag up. Nah, you left them over here on my property. Don't worry about it. Find the keeper, nigga. I found these tomatoes. Y'all give it up. Hey, OG was funny as a motherfucker though, for real. Hey, y'all give it up for the DJ one time, DJ Wade. Hey, DJ, crank us up one time, DJ. Let's party. Fuck that shit. Let's party. Let's do it, man. Crank us up. Don't do no shit like that. Why you play that shit? You don't want to embrace being old. Nah, nigga. Fuck the being old part. I'm good with that, but it's the song. Nigga, I'm married. I ain't got no goddamn side piece. I'm motherfucking married. Don't you play that shit. Nah, come on, let's crank up though. Crank up for real. Let's do it. Hey man, let's do it. We're gonna party for the rest of the night. We better get lit in this motherfucker, nigga. Bitch, I just get wasted. Somebody better get a shot. Hey, look at this. For real, give me some of that. A shot of Hennessy. A shot of yak with no cola pack. See my boy throwing on the sign, yeah.